Hey, CrewZNation, how's it going? It's your boy Zawawi and welcome back to a new episode. Today we're heading to the BMW showroom, which is dear to my heart because I'm a hardcore Beamer fan. I'm actually here with my friend. He's dropping his X1 to get completely serviced, and after that same friend Ibrahim, he's gonna go pick up his new X3 with the M package. Cannot wait to see it. And that's pretty much about it, so I will catch you inside the showroom. Peace. Well, we made it to heaven. Look at all these Beamers. Yes. So what are your thoughts?
What? On what?
On BMW.
Just in general?
Yes.
I love what they do. I mean, it's German engineering, everything is, you know, well put together so it doesn't fall apart. Like some Japanese shit.
Well, let's not diss the Japs. Let's not diss the. Oh my God, I have never seen one. All right, ladies and gents, that is the BMW X7, and by holy wow, it's huge. It doesn't seem that much bigger than the X5, but there's something about it that's special. Probably the price tag. Let's look at that from the back.
Yeah.
She's got booty.
No, but it looks bland.
Actually, it kind of does, right? There's nothing special about it, to be honest with you.
It feels like most of it.
But it's, I think, because BMW and Rolls-Royce work together, if I'm not mistaken. So this is like the poor man's Rolls-Royce.
Like 7 is the
yeah. Can you believe that? All right, so we need. All right, so we are in the BMW M3 CS and it is freaking amazing. What are your thoughts?
Oh my God, like look at this.
I know, look at this. This is unbelievable. And it has the traditional e-brake. Yes. Look at that, man.
Like there's no drive or anything. Just turbo.
Just go really fast. It's freaking
I'm guessing there's
amazing.
also an HUD, right? It's pretty nice car.
I love the interior, man.
Oh,
The
God,
interior is
look at this.
absolutely sick. The Alcantara. BMW definitely went all out with this. This is freaking amazing. Amazing. I wish I could turn it on. I'm not allowed to. Next time. Wow. 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 All right, so that was our little adventure in BMW ناغي in Riyadh ولا في السعودية بصفة عامة. They run the entire BMW fleet and Rolls-Royce and Mini Cooper in Saudi Arabia. He's enjoying his blueberry muffin. But what was your favorite BMW?
M3. Oh my god.
It's fucking.
Oh
I
my
mean,
god.
it's God, I wanted, but
Such a sex.
that was the sexiest car in there, and in front of us is the least sexiest car. You guys see that? That's the old school X3, which I would not wish that. I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. Anyways, we're off to the other BMW dealership, so this man can pick up his
X3.
what model? What year?
2019.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yeah.
Bowling!
And that one behind us was just my car.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's the X1, right?
Yeah.
The 2013 X1, and it needs a lot of work.
Because apparently we only took it once or twice to
Yeah.
the shop.
Can you believe that? He bought it in 2013 and took it to the dealership for service twice. No, he said three times in a year, and then he neglected it for 5 years. So let's hope the it won't cost that much.
I don't think so.
It's gonna cost a lot.
Yeah. It's gonna cost
Yeah. So, anyways, we'll catch you on the other
Side.
dealership or side. Peace. Traditional e-brake. Hell yeah. All right, so we are in the 2019 BMW M5, and it is an absolute beauty. Look at this. The interior is on point, kind of roomy. My only issue is this damn button. I wish it was the traditional e-brake like the M4 and the M3. But who am I to complain? Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. My only complaint is the push button e-brake or electronic e-brake. I wish it was like the M4 and the M3 where you just pull it. But who am I to complain? This is absolutely gorgeous. Just being in here, it's and the fact that I can switch between rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive at any time, at any point is I have no adjectives to describe how amazing that technology is, and the fact that BMW were able to pioneer something like this is unbelievable. And it always puts a smile on my face, so I'm so happy to have. I've never even sat in one. The only one I've ever driven was the V10 M5, and that one is ferocious, so I can't even imagine how insane this is. Like I said, the interior is nice. Look at the little details. Those are the speakers. That's unbelievable. Like, it's just perfect. It is absolutely perfect. It's just perfect. One day, once I'm done with my M3, supercharge it, have it ready for daily use, track use, every type of use, I am gonna get it probably in either an M3 or an M5, something that's not manual, so I can drive it daily, and then I'll just use my E92 for the track, for drifting, and so on and so forth. But enough of that. Now let's go check out Ibrahim's new X3. I love it when my friends and everyone I know has a BMW or buys a BMW or is even interested in a BMW. So the fact that he got one it gives me goosebumps, and I hope it makes him as happy as my BMW has. Let's go check it out. Peace. So if you're a Mini Cooper lover, and of course a BMW lover, then you're in the right spot. God, look at them. They're just so gorgeous, and I'm hogging the camera, so sorry. Here you go. BMW. The red interior. Ooh, it's unlocked. I've never been in it. What is this? An 850? Yeah, I've never been in it. Oh my god, that's... Oh, wow. Look at that. I love the steering wheel. And this is special. This is amazing. It's made out of crystal. Swarovski's crystal. Wow. Ooh, feels good. On the bright side, I did order the Alcantara M steering wheel for my car. It should be here next week. I'm so excited. More grip, so I can go sideways much more comfortably. But to be honest with you, sitting in here, it's what an experience. Oh God, why? Can someone explain to me why do they use this? This is just so upsetting, and that's why I love the M3 and the M4, because they use the traditional e-brake. Traditional, people. That's the way to do it when it's a sports car. So when you use the button, which I showed you in a previous video, it does not do the job. Well, granted, I was driving a Renault when I tried it, but I'm gonna assume, and correct me if I'm wrong, that they all work the same. But as soon as I took my brother's Mustang and used his e-brake, the traditional one, the car did a 180 so beautifully. So yeah. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Since my friend Ibrahim is not picking his for another few days, I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I know it was quick, sweet, and with lots of BMWs. Zawawi out, and catch you on the flip side. Peace.